Hello, welcome back to Learn British English Free on YouTube. We're going to do another pronunciation lesson today with me, Chris. Again, I've got a fair few words with similar sounds and we're going to practice them to get them right. There are quite a lot this time. Please work hard. Let's start with the most common word in the English language. It's always important. The or the. The. Most of the time we use the weak form, the. Next, though. I'm using the list. You can find it in the description. It has the words, the text, and the phonetic sounds for you to understand, as well as some example sentences that we will practice later. Third word, through. Similar looking words, all with different sounds so far. E, O, U. Next one is different again. Thought or thought. Thistle. That's a very horrible plant. It can hurt you if you touch it. It's famous in Scotland. Thruः. And the adverb form of that word, thoroughly. For example sentences, very difficult. I will say each one twice, once slowly, a second time at normal speed. Good luck. The thistle thought the thoroughly thorough thought. The thistle thought the thoroughly thorough thought. The thought goes through the tough, thorough trough. The thought goes through the tough, thorough trough. Don't worry, these don't make sense, simply for pronunciation. The thistle whistled, though it thought it ought not to. The thistle whistled, though it thought it ought not to. Tough was the trough. I thoroughly thought the thorough through. Tough was the trough. I made a mistake myself, see? Let's try again. Tough was the trough. I thoroughly thought the thorough through. If you could do it, you did a great job. Well done. I am a cruel teacher, don't worry, all my students suffer because of me. That completes our lesson attempt this time. Thank you for watching and for working hard with your pronunciation. I appreciate it, and I'm sure your friends will too when you speak English with them. Please join me on Learn British English Free for other free lessons in the future. Also on the British English page on Facebook. We're on Instagram. And the website is www.learnbritishenglish.co.uk. Everything is available there. It's easy to find and use. Please join us. My name is Chris. It's been nice to teach you in this lesson. I will see you next time. Goodbye.